gentlemen, season 3 of Tracker premieres a 2-part premiere. We're bringing back Jensen Ackles, plays Russell Shaw on the show, my brother.
We get thrown into this wild ride.
My goal right now is to make sure the Blue Bloods fans are happy with Boston Blue. People have had Friday nights with me for 14 years. They're going to get them again. And then after a lot of football, I get this great guy. What better way to spend a weekend?
We're so back. Season 2 of Watson, you have more drama, you have intrigue, and more medical mysteries.
So your girl knows what it feels like to be on Thursdays. Season 5 and 6 are going to be incredible.
I think they're gonna have some laughs.
Hi, Elsbeth. I hope I'm saying that right, because I won't be saying it again.
A lot of laughs.
I can't act all sexy to get my way with roping.
You think that works with me?
We will have our 49th season, which we're really excited about. 2 players from 49 are going to end up on Survivor 50.
Nobody's more respected in Nashville than Keith Urban, and he's the headliner on this show, The Road.
I think for me, being on the road, it's a calling. We're going to find out who's made of that stuff.
It's all about trying to ground some of the stories and some of the storylines that people have come to love. Where do we take that to wrap up this final season is going to be very important.
It's really good to be a part of the CBS fall lineup.
If you just go on People Watch, you'll find something funny at any public place, but DMV especially. It's a really good cross-section of people.
Feels great to be back. I really do pinch myself, but I'm also more touched by how people are responding to the cast, the stories. They're invested in the characters.
Tuesday belongs to NCIS.
Wilmer and I are really excited to be a part of the all-new NCIS Tuesday night. So we've got a crossover event.
It's a fun twist, and we think the fans are going to really dig in.
Every Tuesday night, you can lock on, get your popcorn, you're in.
We are here at Sheriff Country, and Kevin is our illustrious director, which is so good because you know the flavor of Fire Country.
One of the things that'll be irresistible about Sheriff Country is you'll get to see pop-ups of the characters you love from Fire Country.
I always say on Fire Country, it's like people, they might come for the fire, but you stay for these characters and you stay for these relationships.
People love our show because it's a window into a world that you really don't get to see anywhere else.
I have no idea what's coming, but I know whatever's coming, it's going to be complicated and messy and really, really fun.